Micro-air vehicles, or MAVs, are transforming how we gather information for surveillance and environmental monitoring. These compact drones can access hard-to-reach places, capturing detailed images and data that would otherwise be impossible to collect. Whether it's monitoring wildlife or inspecting infrastructure, MAVs are becoming essential tools in a variety of fields. However, MAVs face significant challenges. Navigating through cluttered environments filled with trees, buildings, or power lines can be tricky, and weak GPS signals in dense areas make precise movement difficult. There are also safety concerns, as MAVs might disturb wildlife or spread contaminants during their missions. Fortunately, advancements in MAV technology are addressing these issues. New designs use lightweight, durable materials, and advanced sensors help MAVs avoid obstacles in real time. Improved control systems and autonomous flight algorithms allow for safer, more efficient missions with less human intervention. A breakthrough moment for MAVs occurred when researchers deployed them to monitor a major environmental disaster, using specialized sensors to gather crucial data and track changes over time. As MAV technology continues to evolve, its potential applications are expanding rapidly. What are your thoughts on MAVs? Share your ideas below, and don't forget to check out my previous video on related innovations.